Alright, I am at Home Depot right now looking for dog door. I'm talking about the plopper side. And I have my measurement in here, but apparently the measurement that I've got is actually for the entire door, and I just need to have that plopping thing going on. While I was looking at all this, there's one in here which is too small. But then this is the perfect one. Yet I can't find it because behind the model door it's for a cat. So it seems like I will need some help. And there's a lot to choose from actually, but I need to make sure it's the right one. But hey, this must be it. Let's see. Doesn't look like it though. Nope. Anywho, this is my adventures for today, I should say, because I was not really feeling that good, but I am up and running. So I'll find out. There you have it.